So with this style invitation, what I've done is I've got the opening to the side, we've got all the details of the invitation in the centre, and then we've got a pocket on the bottom now to put details in, such as the accommodation, the RSVP, the menu, things like this. So very easy to do, as with all of our wedding invites once you know the measurements. So we're going to start with a sheet of cardstock, and this is an A3 sheet which has been trimmed down to 16 inches long by 11 inches wide. Okay, I'm going to start by placing the shorter edge against the rest, and I'm going to score this to the width that we want, which is half fold A4, so it's your very last line here. I'm going to score down the half fold A4 line. Okay, now we're going to slide this over to the trifold A4 line and put in our tram line here. And remember, when we have a tram line, the easiest way to work on this is just to run the two between your fingers. Okay, now fold over on the last crease line, give that a good burnish, pop that up against the side, and then I want you to score the same one. We're going to score the half fold A5 again. Half fold A4, sorry. Okay, and that is going to fold over, and that is giving you your front wraparound. Now, to do the actual base that you want, all we're going to do is we're going to turn it round this way, and I want you to score this line here, which is the gatefold A4 line, to give you quite a deep pocket. So we'll come all the way along on gatefold A4, doing part of it and then taking it right to the end. Then either using your craft knife or a pair of scissors, where we've got the smaller panel and the inside one, we're going to cut right along, and we're cutting the score line off altogether. So you're cutting slightly to the left of the score line. Cut right through your tram lines, and then cut slightly to the right of your tram line here. Okay, just disregard that extra piece. Now this here is going to fold up, and that's going to give us our pocket. So double-sided tape on the outside, that will fold up, give you a pocket there, which is where you put all your parts of the invitation. You'll see we have that gusset on the side, which I'm just folding into place. And then this last piece is just going to wrap around and finish on the front. And if I bring my finished one back in, you'll see all I've done is I've wrapped a piece of ribbon right round and matted and laid on the front. And that's what gives us that fantastic laid waterfall effect ready for the side. You've got all your details for your wedding there in the middle. And all I've done here is printed a design onto the cardstock to save me doing too much matting and layering at the end.